Understanding gossip rag, unraveling slang in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the colorful world of English slang. Specifically, we'll explore what a gossip rag is and how you can understand and use this phrase in everyday conversation. Let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this intriguing expression. A gossip rag refers to a type of magazine or publication that is filled with rumors, scandals, and celebrity news. These are not your typical news sources. They prioritize sensational stories over hard facts. Often, they are more entertaining than educational. The word rag, in this context, is slang for a newspaper or magazine and typically has a negative connotation, suggesting that the publication is of low quality or not very respectable. The term has its roots in the early 20th century when cheap, sensational newspapers were sometimes referred to as rags. This was a time when the tabloid press began to flourish, capitalizing on the public's thirst for juicy stories about the rich and famous. Over time, gossip rag became a colloquial way to describe these scandal-focused publications. Now that you know what a gossip rag is, let's see how to use it. You might say, "I don't trust the news in that gossip rag. It's always full of exaggerated stories." Or, if you're discussing celebrity culture, you might hear, "She's always reading some gossip rag to catch up on the latest Hollywood gossip." In our digital age, gossip rags have also moved online. Websites that focus on celebrity gossip, fashion faux pas, and entertainment news are the modern-day equivalents of the traditional gossip magazine. While they can be a fun, guilty pleasure, it's important to remember to take the stories with a grain of salt. That's a wrap on gossip rags. We hope this video has shed light on this slang phrase and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about culture and context. Keep exploring, and you'll find that English is full of colorful expressions just waiting to be discovered. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.